This is an introduction to the presets menu or the Labz Plus menu. When you first open it, you'll be able to see our list of BeyondLabz lab presets. These are starting points that we've created that are just a good place to start, right, to be able to do the basic experiments, and so you don't have to set up from scratch. So those may be useful to you. You can filter by lab, get what you need there. The most powerful part is this My Saved Labs menu. This is where any points that you've saved in the lab, where you've clicked the Save Lab button, these will show up here. You can filter them by lab, right? So for example, if I want to see everything I've saved in titrations, I can then go on in and access everything that can be customized from this Actions menu. If I click Make Practice, if that had an unknown in it, that'll trigger it back to be a practice unknown, where all the answers are revealed to the students and it's not saved in the lab book for you, or I can turn it back into an assigned unknown where every student gets a unique unknown and the answer is saved into the lab book for you, the instructor, to see. I can go on in and customize this link. This allows me to turn off what equipment the students can use if you want them to, or you can even go on in really deep and exactly measure out how much you want weighed out or measured out with volume. You can change concentrations of all of our compounds in the titrations lab. There's just a lot you can customize here if you want to. You can do the same thing, for example, in the organic synthesis lab. If you go on into any of those links and customize them, you can change if the students can use a spectral library or use some of the equipment, see what's actually in their flask at any moment. So all of that is adjustable from that customized link. You can add procedures. This is explained in another one of our videos, but this is where you'll be able to add in a document with any procedures you've written, and it will show up right in the tray for the students to read as they work, so they don't have to work in a different tab. And then you'll also be able to copy the link if you want to share a link with your students in your learning management system or in an email, and then at any point you can, of course, delete a preset. Other things that you may want to do here are if you want to change the name on this, so say this is my new lab, you can give it whatever name you want. You don't have to go with our default names. Or you can click Add Saved Lab, and this is where you'll import any links that your students may have given you or a colleague may have given you. This will just let you start with their labs already preset. They'll be in your list now forever. And then, of course, you can do a bulk delete of lots of links if you wanted to, or search by any of your names. We hope this is a helpful introduction to everything you can do on the back end.